Hey y'all, I'm back again with another video, and if you read the title, which I hope you did, today I'm going to show you guys how I get my little basic flowy curls on my long extensions or whatever. So yeah, now I'm just starting off by brushing my hair, making sure everything is neat, or no knots and kinks in it. Now I'm taking this oil, I believe it's by Palmer's. Yeah, it is. I'm just going to spray this on my hair before I curl it. And I spread it in my eye. Very typical of me. Now we're just going to brush that through before we get started. Now I'm going to take small sections and just pin the rest and start curling. Now we got our curling iron, and we're gonna curl away from I can't even speak right now. We're gonna curl away from our face. Then we're just gonna let that sit for a while, and then you let it keep its form, because when it cools down, it's gonna keep that shape. So yeah. I don't know if it's just me, but my first time doing the voiceover of this video, like the sound was like kind of echoey and like staticky. It sounded kind of weird. So y'all let me know if it's just me from tripping. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to curl my hair and keep the form. Don't let it down, and I'm gonna pin it up so it keeps that form. Now you have an option of not doing this if you want a more looser curl look, but yeah. Now I'm going to take my flat iron, and I don't know why I do this, but like sometimes I just feel like it gives the curls more dimension. Like I don't want them to be like too alike, but of course I want them to be similar so it all flows together. But yeah, that's just what I do. Y'all can do it how y'all want to do it. This is what Sierra does. Okay, period. Now I'm back with my curling iron. And yeah, this is me realizing that it wasn't even on, and I'm freaking stupid. So yeah, just gonna plug it back up, and I'm gonna make sure it's on this time. Make sure I see a little blinking red light. Now I'm just gonna speed it up a little bit, because yeah, I hope y'all get the gist by now. If not, I don't even know what to tell you. Now these pieces in the front, very important, because you want them to frame your face correctly. Like you just want it to like make sense, I guess. Shit, I don't fucking know. But yeah, you want to make sure that you curl away from your face so it falls down to your face going the other way. So yeah, I just like the way that looks personally. So that's what I do. But yeah, don't mind me making these ugly faces. And oh my gosh, a little chapstick wouldn't have killed me. But yeah, not too much, y'all. Oh, and don't mind that burn mark on my forehead. I did that on one of our previous videos with that red wig, trying to curl my hair and use the hot comb to make it flat. And what did I do? Burn my forehead as per usual. So yeah, be cautious while doing your hair, ladies. As you can see, I'm doing the same thing that I did to the other side to this side, making sure I'm curling away from my face. And some curls I just leave down, and most of them I'm gonna pin up. So yeah, and we done. I'm gonna get all cute and come back for you guys. So boom, here we are. This is the look. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to record this makeup look. I was like very much amazed by this look. Like, I always feel like my makeup turns out better when I just sit down and do it, don't think about it, and not record. So yeah. But yeah, now I'm gonna take these curls down, and we're just gonna brush it out. And here we are. These are the curls. As you can see, I was feeling it. Very bouncy. Sometimes you just gotta play with the curls and fluff them up and make them look how you want them to look. So that's what I'm doing here. And that piece up there while I was editing, annoying me. And I'm glad, yep, brush it down a little bit. Well, not brush, that's a comb. Combed it down. But yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.